Netbook Review. With the fast evolving and ever changing world of technology, notebooks were thought to be a revolution, but the demand for faster, cheaper, and efficient technology gave birth to netbooks. Netbooks are smaller cousins of notebooks. They are meant for only internet-based services like web browsing and emailing, etc. They are lightweight, compact, and easy to carry netbooks which are very small and energy-efficient laptops. The netbooks have further reduced the size of the computers. Pioneered by Asus, the first netbook was pushed in the market in 2007. The model name was Asus EEE-PC. The netbooks have a similar display screen of 7 inches to 10 inches size. The netbooks have a smaller keyboard but no optical disk drive. Other hardware configuration includes 1 GB RAM, 80 GB HDD, advanced configuration, and power interface. Netbooks are developed to consume lesser power and have a longer battery life in this energy-deprived world. They can provide internet connectivity virtually from anywhere. The material used in making these netbooks is very light, which makes them even lighter than the traditional laptops, and combined with a sleek design, they take work and the move to the next level. The netbooks come preloaded with Ubuntu Linux, but the users can also install Microsoft Windows XP Home Edition. The Microsoft Office applications runs very well, thus a major target of these netbooks are the business executives who don't have time for plunging deeper in the more sophisticated notebooks. They are actually looking for something simple to carry out their daily work. Comparing the prices of traditional laptops with the new netbooks, netbooks are a much economical option. As a normal laptop with a premium configuration will come for well above $1,000. However, a netbook with some basic configuration is available only for $350. Although there have been trade-offs in the size, hardware, and some applications, but on the front of brag operation, mobility, and performance, netbooks some score heavily. With time, netbooks are bound to improve. They are a very good option for students, business persons, and executives.